Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. This is Imran Hussain and how to learn accent. This is not hard thing. This is easy, simple thing. So today I'm going to share with you and how to learn accent. So I'm speaking in American accent and this is my target. This is my one and only mission and I will learn accent, American accent, and which is really easy, and British accent has some kinds of difficulties. And if you want to learn accents, so definitely this video for you. First of all, there are a lot of things we think at the stage of learning accent, because accent learning is not important. First of all, important is speaking, and if you have like that ability to express yourself, definitely, and this will be really helpful for you. And like this, and right now I'm speaking and I'm not following any accent, and when will be my accent is regular, like normal. So this is comes from our listening, and if you don't listen and if you don't speak up with yourself, definitely you cannot be perfect at accent, and which is really important thing. And first of all, sir, boost your speaking, then after think about accent, so you can be perfect at that. And how to learn this, and if you want to learn accents, definitely YouTube is enough for you, and watch video for yourself every single day, one video. And there are a lot of accent master here on YouTube, and they have YouTube channels and they are expert on accent. So that's why, and I feel that is first of all. And if you have expressing power of English, so definitely this is not will be difficult for yourself. And if you're watching this video from YouTube and from other platform, I don't know whether you're watching this video. Morning is really important vibes for ourselves. And if you start from morning and you want to listen, you want to practice, and you want to train yourself, so definitely you can be perfect yourself. So thank you and have a nice day. See you for another one every single day. And I have to become better version of myself. That's why, and I do practice, and I feel I have to become a good at speaking. And for overcome, you have to practice every single day, daily basis, and consistency maintaining. This is the one and only weapon to get success. Have a nice day. See you for another one, and bye bye for today.